So, ayan, first crayons ni baby, ayan. So, bubuksan natin, unboxing. Ayan, first crayons niya. Okay. We're gonna unbox your crayons. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sabi na kasi ng pedia niya, pwede na daw siyang magsulat. Ayan. Oh my goodness, look at that. Kinalat na niya. Yan ang first crayons niya. Hi! Oh! Where you going? Here's your paper. Here's your paper. Right here. Ayan yung crayons niya. Ayan. Tinuturuan ko na siya ng konti-konti. Nagsusulat na siya. Ayan, yung mga ano niya. Guhit-guhit. Dinala niya doon. Hi! Hi! Ayan. I love you, baby. We love you so much. Okay, right there. Right there. Oh my goodness. Good job! Nalipat niya doon. Oh my goodness. You wanna ride it? Aww. Ayan. Of course, collecting again. Then, dali niya doon. Ayan. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Yun yung first crayons na. Crayons. Ayan. Accent. Ayan. Good job, baby. Fix your shorts. You know where your shorts is. There you go. Yay! Ayan, humahaba na yung buhok niya. Ang bilis nang humaba yung buhok niya. Yay! Ayan. Kinuha niya doon, tapos lalagay niya lahat doon. Yay!